Hello Weekend Crafter! Welcome back to the Craft Time Studio. This is Anne, your Weekend Crafter, and for this weekend, I am going to make a Valentine-Inspired slab. Last week, I mixed some yummy candy hearts colors, and if you haven't seen that, I'll be placing a link above. I'm using the colors that I mixed for my slab. As usual, let's clean our work area first. I just spritz my glass mat with some alcohol and wipe it down. Next, I bring out my colors. I'm using a light color for my main slab to provide a good contrast to my very colorful palette. I'm also bringing out a rectangular pattern which I am placing above my slab. This is the measurement that I want for my slab. Because my slab is not a perfect rectangle, I add the excess clay that I've cut off and put it at the corner that needs a little bit more clay. Then, I get some medium grit sandpaper and roll it on top of my slab to get an even thickness, and also because I want texture on my entire slab. Then I get my rectangular pattern again and cut away all the excess clay. At this point, I'm just going to keep quiet so that you can enjoy watching the process of assembling this slab. For the final touch, I just stamped my slab with some exos using a cookie alphabet stamp. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. If you haven't yet, I hope that you consider liking and subscribing to the Craft Time Studio for your weekend dose of crafts. Bye!